If you are a dental hygiene student struggling with head and neck anatomy, this video is for you. Today we're going to be talking about the sphenoid bone. Now, I'm sure everybody knows that the sphenoid bone is the one that looks like a butterfly. So the sphenoid bone basically kind of sits right top center of the skull, and it kind of connects to almost every cranial bone. So it's super important. It also holds the pituitary gland. Anyway, so it has wings. There's lesser wings and greater wings. So the lesser wings are smaller and higher. That one holds the optic canal. The greater wings, larger and lower. They form parts of the orbit and the skull floor, and parts of the fissure, which is where the optic nerve and more cranial nerves can go through, which is like the superior orbital fissure in that area. Okay, so speaking about the foramina in the sphenoid bone, we have three special ones. So like I said, superior orbital fissure, foramen rotundum, and foramen ovale. These are very important because they are part of the trigeminal nerve, the dental nerve. That's the optic, the maxillary, and the mandibular. So a mnemonic that my friends and I came up with was filtered reverse osmosis. Sounds a little funny, but it's an interesting way to remember. Whenever I hear the word fissure, I think of fishing. So superior orbital fissure, this guy is fishing down the stream. So why not include water or reverse osmosis? Anyway, so filtered, fissure, the optic nerve, reverse, rotundum, maxillary nerve, osmosis, ovale, mandibular nerve. Now the pterygoid plates, these are going to be underneath those wings of the sphenoid bone. They are attachment points for your muscles of mastication. The important one to know for questions about the sphenoid bone is the medial pterygoid plate. It has the hamulus on it. How do you remember that? The medial pterygoid plate, think of a medium plate with pita chips. What do you eat with pita chips? Hummus. So the medium pterygoid plate has pita chips and hummus, the hamulus. And that is a little hook-shaped process, by the way. Okay, so sphenoid is like a little butterfly. It has lesser and greater wings, and it has foraminas. It has the optic canal. It has the rotundum and ovale. It also has plates, the pterygoid plates. Those are for the muscles of mastication attachments. And the medial plate has the hamulus. I hope that helped. Have fun studying, and I'll see you later. Bye!